In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Tesla side mirror. So let's get started. First of all, select the car you own. In this case, I'll be just using Model X. Then select the appropriate language for yourself. For my case, I'll be just using English. And then you'll be redirected to a page with a bunch of options on the left side. For mirrors, you'll have to click on the driving option drop down and then click on mirrors. Once you've clicked on that, you'll find a bunch of information about Tesla mirrors in general. You can go ahead and have a good read at this, but if you still don't understand what the problem is for your Tesla side mirror, then I do have a couple of more tips to share with you. The first one being loose or misaligned mirrors. If this fits your problem, then remove the mirror cover using a plastic pry tool, tighten screws inside the housing with a T25 Torx driver, snap the cover back in place. Another issue that you could face is broken mirror glass. Pry off the damaged glass carefully, align and press in the replacement glass until it clicks. Test adjustments using the car's controls. Another one of the issues that you could find is malfunctioning folding mechanism. Reset mirrors, go to Controls, Service, and Reset slide mirrors. Remove debris or dirt from the hinge, clean and lightly lubricate with silicone spray. Contact Tesla if the folding motor fails. Another issue is adjustment not working. Check settings under Controls and then Mirrors. Inspect and reconnect loose or damaged wires inside the housing. Perform a soft reset holding both steering wheel scroll wheels. Replace the motor if necessary. And lastly, if the heating is not working, ensure rear defroster is activated. Check heating by touching the mirror after a few minutes. Replace the glass if heating element is faulty. And that'll be it for the tips. I hope it helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.